My wife
Old friend.
all too well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
And entwined with it the history and lore of the people of Punjab. Through photographs and descriptions of many hitherto unseen relics of Sikh heritage bestowed by the Gurus upon the disciples, the authors place each artifact in its historical context, giving a broad perspective of Sikh heritage that speaks powerfully to each one of us. Every relic, every article is a living symbol of the Sikh ethos. Included here are priceless artifacts in the custody of the descendants of Bhai Roop Chand. The Maharajas of Patiala and Nabha still have significant collections which find a special place in this profusely illustrated volume that welcomes the reader with unsurpassed clarity and sensitivity to the world of Sikh heritage. An enduring blend of art, enthusiasm, and knowledge. The authors have used their thorough understanding of Sikh ethos to give us a profound feeling for all that has been left behind by the Sikh Gurus. On this special occasion, we have with us respected Mrs. Gurcharan Kaur, who has a deep interest in Sikh heritage. Professor B.N. Goswami, a distinguished art historian, is Professor Emeritus of the History of Art Department at Punjab University, Chandigarh. Professor Gurinder Singh Mann, Professor Mann has been associated with religious studies. He holds the Kundan Kaur Kapani Chair in Sikh Studies at University of California, Santa Barbara in the United States of America. Our authors, Bhai Sikandar Singh Ji, co-founder of Nishan, a journal about Sikhs, and Mr. Rupinder Singh, author of Guru Nanak, His Life and Teachings. A prize-winning photographer, Mr. Singh is currently a deputy editor with the Tribune. Mr. Kapish Mehra, managing director, Rupa Publications. I would now like to invite Mr. Kapish Mehra to come on the podium and say a few words.
Thanks, Hina, for that wonderful introduction. There's probably not much to say about the book after that. A very good evening to Srimati Gurcharan Kaur. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. It's a very special occasion, and we're very glad to have you here. I do know what this means for the authors. Thank you. A very good evening to distinguished panelists, Professor Mann, Professor Goswami, dear authors, Rupinder and Bhai Sikandar Singh Ji. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thank you. Thank you for making it. Delhi on a Monday evening, especially in the times that we live today, I think I salute the religion of Sikhism and the bonhomie that comes along with it for people to be here today. So thank you very much for being here. Talking about the book, I'm supposed to be giving an introduction. I would probably steer away from a regular introduction and talk a little about the journey of the book. The journey of this book actually started, as it does with other books as well, at another book launch in Chandigarh. Sitting outside in in the cold winds of probably January, before the authors arrived for the other book launch, Rupinder and Bhai Sikandar Singh ji, and I were discussing the possibilities of this book. And I think the common thread in that conversation was that there was a need for something like this. All of us knew about the various artifacts that existed. We had all heard about it, but there wasn't one documentation of that. There wasn't one documentation in a format where somebody could actually pick it up and read. There wasn't a documentation that was widely available. And I think that spurred all of us on to do something as magnificent as this is. I think kudos to both the authors. This has required a lot of effort. This is not an easy task. And I'm very delighted to have had the opportunity at Rupa to have published this. Without going into the details of the book, etc., because I feel everybody here knows more about it than I do myself, I'll just recount a very simple incident that showcases the strength of the book. Rather than talking about its profound language and extensive research, this book, as all publishing houses, before they publish a book, they are supposed to send advance copies to the prominent retailers. So we did with this book as well. We chose a specific retailer whom we realized would probably value a book like this, understand the book like this, and with a commercial interest, order many copies of a book like this. With this in mind, our head of sales sent a book to that regular retailer. He picked up the phone and said, "Ye kitab badhiya hai." That is all. I think that one line described the book, described the effort, described everything that went in the book. So I think with those words, kudos to the authors. I can say, "Ye kitab badhiya hai." So thank you, ma'am, once again for being here.